Hello students, next we'll see problems on contract account. Okay, 15 marks problems it is. Previously I have explained about the theory part, right? Sorry, format of contract account and balance sheet, how to prepare. Same here, we'll see the problems along with it. The following information relates to contract number 151. Contract price they have given it as 6 lakh. Then raw material you have 1,20,000, wages 1,64,000, plant 20,000. Means these all are the opening stock which we are going to record contract account debit side except contract price. Okay, rest all things will be recorded contract account debit side here. Then general expenses you have 8,600. As on the date cash received was 2,40,000. Okay, cash received they have given it is 2,40,000 being 80% of work certified. Okay. So whatever cash received you have, it is of 80% of work certified we have. Okay, 2,40,000. Then the value of material remaining at the site at the end, okay, it is 10,000. And you have to depreciate plant by 10%. Plant value they have given 20,000, right? On that 10% you have to give a depreciation. Then work uncertified you have it as 400, okay, in your hand. So you have to prepare contract account here. First we have to calculate work certified here. Okay, which formula we have work certified? Cash received divided by percentage of cash received. How much they have given cash received? 2,40,000 and percentage how much we have? Percentage of cash received it is 80%. So 2,40,000 divided by 80%, work certified we will get it is 3 lakh. So how much profit we are going to transfer? Okay, so contract price we have 6 lakh, 1/4 of contract price we will get 1,50,000. Half of contract price 3 lakh you will get, and 3/4 of contract price 4,50,000. Okay, so since work certified we have half of the contract price 3 lakh it is, right? Work certified, so contract price, half of the contract price you will get it as 3 lakh. So how much profit we are going to transfer? 2/3 of notional profit will be transferred to the profit and loss account. Okay, so we'll prepare contract account now. Format is this account format, particulars inner column and outer column. Don't forget to write debit and credit because it is account, contract account. Okay, so first we are going to record raw material here. So how much they have given raw material opening stock you have it is 1,20,000. Then wages you have 1,64,000. Then plant 20,000. General expenses 8,600. These are the things what they are given first, right? So by work in progress, how much we got work certified? It is 3 lakh. Then work certified, work uncertified you have it is 400, means which is not certified. So total work in progress we have it is 3,04,000. Okay, then material at site you have 1 lakh. Then plant value, how much they have given it is 20,000 less depreciation 10%. Okay, so 2,000 depreciation you have. So closing balance of plant we have it is 18,000. Then credit side total we have 3,28,400. It is total, you should take it as 3,04,000 outside. Okay, then debit side total we have 3,02,600. So profit we have 50. So debit side total we have 3,02,600. So profit how much we will get? 15,800, which you are going to transfer to notional profit, that is 15,800. And both side total how much we will get? 3,28,400. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to brought down the notional profit now, 15,800. How much we should transfer to profit and loss account? 2/3, right? So to profit and loss account, 2/3 of notional profit, that is 15,800 into 80% cash received, right? So how much we will get it is 8,427 we are going to transfer to profit and loss account. Remaining balance we will transfer, that is 7,373 we will transfer it to reserves. Okay, so we have both side it is 15,800. So both side total we have now 15,800. Okay, we'll see the work in progress account next which we have to prepare. Debit side to contract account, which we have recorded work certified 3 lakh. and work uncertified 400, which will be brought down to next year, means carried down you have to do. So 3 lakh 400, okay, which are going to record it in the balance sheet. So 3 lakh 400 here, and total you should finish off, which are going to show it in the balance sheet. Okay, 3 lakh 400 as a work in progress. Now second problem we will see, in which you are going to prepare both contract account as well as balance sheet. Okay, a building contractor undertook a contract for rupees 30 lakh, contract price you have 30 lakh here. Then on 1/4/2020, the trial balance they are given for the year end 31/3/2021. Share capital you have 6 lakh, which you had recorded in balance sheet directly, liability side. Then cash received on contract 75% of work certified 15 lakh. Then material you have 13 lakh, plant 3 lakh, wages 1,02,000, supervisor salary 66,000, administration expense 3 lakh, and other expense 32,000, which all we are going to record in contract account. Okay, debit side. And share capital and cash receipt will be recorded directly in the balance sheet. Then adjustments they are given. Wages for 1 week and salary for 1 month is outstanding. Okay. Then plant costing rupees 40,000 was returned on the about date, means we have returned it. Then material costing rupees 20,000 were returned to stores. Material also we have returned. Then fourth point you have the plant costing rupees 24,000 were lost in accident, means loss at us. Against that insurance company paid 20,000, means how much we are in loss? 4,000. Okay, 4,000 loss we are going to record it in contract account, and claim we are going to record directly in the balance sheet. Then material on site it is 30,000, means closing material. Then provide depreciation 10% on the plant. Then work certified, work uncertified we have it as 1 lakh. Then you have to prepare contract account as well as balance sheet here. First we'll make a working note of work certified, how much we have to calculate it. So work certified equal to cash received divided by percentage of cash received. How much we will get? 15 lakh we have cash received, it is 75% of cash received. So it is 20 lakh. We have work certified how much? 20 lakh. So contract price as we have 30 lakhs, 1/4 of it you will get 7,50,000, half of it you will get 15 lakh. Then 3/4 of it, how much we will get? 22,50,000. So 20 lakh lies under, means more than half and less than 3/4. That you should write the note, since work certified is more than half of the contract price but less than the 3/4 of contract price, that is 20 lakh. 2/3 of notional profit we are going to transfer to profit and loss account. So first we will prepare a contract account here. Raw material first you should write 13 lakh we have. Then plant 3 lakh, wages we have it as 1,02,000, and outstanding they have given for 1 week. So outstanding months you have to calculate for 1 week. 51 week we will consider for 1 year. Normally we will consider 52, right? But working days we will consider 51 week. So 1,02,000 into 1 divided by 51, as they have given outstanding it is for 1 week. So 1 divided by 51, how much we will get? 2,000 rupees outstanding we have. Okay, so 1,04,000 we have total wages. Then salary they have given 66,000, and this is also have outstanding of 1 month. So 66,000 into 1 divided by 12, right? For 1 month we should consider. So we will get it as 5,500. So total salary we have 71,500. Then next you have advertisement expenses. Directly they have given 3 lakh. Then other expenses you have 32,000. Okay, then you have to record credit side work in progress. Work certified how much we got? 20 lakh. Work uncertified they have given it is 1 lakh. So total work in progress we have 21 lakh here. Then you have to record plant returned. How much we have returned to stores? 40,000 less depreciation 10%, 4,000. So plant returned we have it as 36,000. Then material returned 20,000, directly you should record. Then abnormal loss, plant we have lost, right? 24,000, and 20,000 we claimed from insurance. So 4,000 we are in a loss. Abnormal loss we have it as 4,000, because plant lost in accident was 24,000 worth. But from insurance company we claimed 20,000. So 4,000 we will get abnormal loss here. Then material at site we have it as 30,000. By plant how much we have? 3 lakh. In that first you should less return. How much we have returned here? 40,000. So plant left with us, it is 2,60,000. On that plant lost, you should less. How much we have lost in accident? 24,000 units. So 2,36,000 we got the final balance of plant. So on that 10% depreciation, how much we will get? 23,600. So final closing balance of plant, we have 2,12,400 here. Okay, then total you have to do how much we have profit and loss, or notional profit, it is 2,94,900, and total both the side 3,28,400. Okay, credit side first you have to total, then you have to less all the debit side items, so you will get a profit 2,94,900. Then we have to transfer it to profit and loss, right? So notional profit brought down, how much we have? 2,94,200. To profit and loss account, how much we will transfer? 2/3, right? So 2,94,200 into 75%, 2/3 of it, 1,47,450 we will transfer to profit and loss. Then to reserves 1,47,450, and total we have 2,94,900. Okay, then work in progress account. Okay, to contract account, work certified, how much we have? 20 lakh, and work uncertified 1 lakh. Okay, total balance carried down 21 lakh, which you are going to record in the balance sheet, work in progress. So we'll see the balance sheet now. Liabilities and assets, first you should write share capital here. How much you have share capital? 6 lakh. Then profit and loss account, how much we transfer to profit and loss account? 1,47,450. Okay, less abnormal loss, what we have recorded? Credit side of contract account, 4,000 abnormal loss we have, that you should less. So you'll get it as 1,43,450. Okay, then outstanding wages, how much we got? 2,000. Outstanding salary to 5,500. And come to asset side, first you should write work in progress, how much we have total? 21 lakh, less cash received, how much we have received the cash? 15 lakh. So balance of work in progress yet you should receive it is 6 lakh. Okay, less reserves, how much we have transferred it to reserves? 1,47,450. So we will get by work in progress, still what you have to receive it is 4,52,550 rupees. Okay, then plant returned we have 36,000. Insurance claim you should write directly here, as I said, insurance claim 20,000. Then material at site 30,000. Plant, closing balance of plant you should write 2,12,400. Okay, material returned we won't mention here, only plant returned you should mention. Okay, then balance sheet both the side, total you will get it as 7,50,950. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can get it clarified. Okay, now we will see third problem. A building contractor undertook a contract for rupees 15 lakh on 1/4/2020. The trial balance as on 31/3/2021 is as under. Okay, material they have given 6,50,000, plant 1,50,000, salary 33,000, wages 51,000, administration expense 1,50,000, general expense 16,000, all which you should record directly in the contract account debit side. And cash received, which you are going to record directly in the balance sheet asset side, and share capital balance sheet liability side. Okay, now I come to adjustments. Outstanding wages you have 1,000, outstanding salary we have 3,000. Then plant costing rupees 20,000 was returned. Okay, 20,000 we have returned. Then the material costing rupees 10,000 were returned to stores. We have returned to stores here. Then plant costing 12,000 were lost in accident and only 10,000 were claimed. So 2,000 abnormal loss we have here. Okay, actually lost 12,000 and insurance company claimed only 10,000 to us. Then material on site 15,000. Provide depreciation on plant 10% per annum. Work uncertified you have 50,000. So I have to prepare contract account and balance sheet here. So first we'll prepare work. First we'll calculate work certified. Cash received divided by percentage of work certified. They have given cash received 7,50,000, which is 75% of work certified. So it is 10 lakh we have work certified here, and contract price 15 lakh we have. So 1/4 of it we will get it as 3,75,000. half of contract price 7,50,000 and 3/4 of contract price 11,25,000. Since work certified is more than half, because 10 lakh we have but less than 11 lakh. So more than contract, half of contract price but less than 3/4 of contract price. That is 10 lakh we have. So 2/3 of notional profit we are going to transfer to profit and loss account. So first we'll prepare a contract account here. Okay, to raw material we have 6,50,000. Then plant 1,50,000. Wages 51,000. Add outstanding, they have given it is 1,000, so total 52,000. Then to salary you have 33,000. Add outstanding 3,000, so total 36,000 we have. Then advertisement expenses 1,50,000 we have. Other expenses 16,000. And come to credit side by work in progress. Work certified we had calculated 10 lakh. Then work certified we have it as 50,000, so 10 lakh 50,000 we have work in progress. Then plant returned, how much we have? 20,000 less 10% depreciation 2,000, so plant returned we have 18,000 here. Then material returned 10,000. Abnormal loss, as I said, plant 12,000 was lost, only 10,000 was recovered, so 2,000 we have a loss here. Then material at site they are given 15,000. Then plant, what is the opening value? 1,50,000 less returned, how much we have returned? 20,000, so we will get it is 1,30,000 less plant lost we have 12,000, so we will get a balance 1,18,000 now. On this 10% you should calculate a depreciation, so 11,800. How much will get a balance? 1,06,200 closing balance of plant. Then both side total we have it as 1,47,200 you will get a profit. Okay, means notional profit you should write it as, don't record it as profit and loss account, write it as notional profit. Okay, and both side total we will get 12,01,200. Now we will transfer the profit. Okay, by notional profit we have 1,47,200 to profit and loss account. 2/3 you should transfer 75% of it, so you will get 73,600, and to reserves 73,600. So balance we have how much which you have to transfer to reserves? 73,600, and both side total you should write 1,47,200. Then you should prepare work in progress account, debit and credit. Okay, to contract account. Work certified we have 10 lakh and work uncertified 50,000. So total balance will be carried down 10,50,000, which are going to record in the balance sheet. Okay, and 10,50,000 both the side. Now we'll prepare a balance sheet. Okay, debit side share capital you should record first, 3 lakh you have. Then profit and loss account, how much we have transferred to profit and loss? 73,600 less abnormal loss. How much we got abnormal loss? 2,000, so 71,600 we have profit. Then outstanding wages 1,000 you have, outstanding salary 3,000. And credits, now asset side work in progress you should write 10,50,000 you have less cash received. How much we have cash received? 7,50,000. So balance left it is 3 lakh less you have to less reserves in that. So 73,600 we have transferred to reserves. So 2,26,400 you have to receive. Then plant return we have 18,000. Closing balance you should write. Insurance claim we have 10,000. Then material at site, how much left with us? 15,000. Then plant, closing balance of plant 1,06,200. Then both side total you should write it as 3,75,600. Okay, I hope you are clear with these sums. In next class I'll explain 3 more sums on contract account. Okay, if you have any doubt till here you can get it clarified. Remember, work in progress we are going to record in contract account also as well as in balance sheet also. Okay, only in share capital we are going to record directly in the balance sheet. Rest all things will be recorded first in contract account. Then closing balances, whatever you have recorded credit side will be transferred to asset side of balance sheet here. Okay, meet you in the next class. Till then, take care.